Hello YouTube, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I will be showing you how to SFTP your Raspberry Pi or server. SFTP is basically Secure File Transfer Protocol. So to do this, you're going to first have to find out your default gateway's IP. To do that, you're going to type empty, and when this opens up, and prompt opens up, you're going to type in. Now you're going to look for default gateway. Ignore all this other stuff, don't need it. So your default gateway will probably differ from mine. So next you're going to go to web browser, you're going to go search bar. Once you do that, load. And this is your router's admin page, or whatever you want to call it. So your default name is usually admin, but differ from root. So now password. The password is on your router or modem, somewhere on the box. So let me just grab it. Now type it into the password spot and you apply or whatever it says. So now give it to load. But now we need to find out the IP of our server or Raspberry Pi. This you're gonna go to depending on what it's connected to. If it's wireless, then go to wireless, but if it's Ethernet, you're gonna go to LAN. You want to find the client list. Once you're in the client list, take a minute to load. We're going to find the name, the host name of your Raspberry Pi server, which we're going to take that IP. We're going to next have to download the SFTP application that I use. I'll leave a link to it in the description, but it's pretty simple to download. Click download here and you go through the setup wizard. So now you're going to open up that application. You're going to go to File, Site Manager, Site. You're going to enter the IP of your server or Raspberry Pi. Your port will be set to something. I don't remember the default, but mine is set to 1234. And then you want to click on FTP and click on SFTP. Now you can set this to normal or whatever you want, so automatically enter the password, but I'm just going to put it like. Now you're going to click connect. Take a minute to connect. Oh, hold on a second. Maybe it should be. So actually set it on normal. Type in the password. Then there you go. Connected to your server, and you can download stuff from it while you're connected to your server or Raspberry Pi. Download stuff with it, or you could you could upload stuff to it, or you could take stuff out. You can set up port forwarding with it and access it from anywhere in the world as long as you have internet. So that's how to SFTP into your server or Raspberry Pi. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. See you guys next time. Bye.